All right, today take a look at the Syncwire 67 watt dual Type-C charger. Okay, so we have European plug and some other plug, I don't even know what that is. And then we have the actual adapter, which has the US plug built in. So this is actually kind of cool. So if we went to another country and wanted to be able to use this, we could just snap this in. Actually, it would just snap in like that. That's actually really neat. Cool. So it is nice having something that you can use if you're going to be doing a lot of traveling, or even if you're just going to be doing a little traveling. Just nice to have options. And it is dual USB-C, so this is USB-C output, so this is going to have a higher power delivery than a regular USB. And then in here, it actually comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. So that is excellent because this isn't something that a lot of people have. They almost always have a USB-C to USB-A, but they never have a USB-C to USB-C. And this is also a fairly thick cable, so this is not a cheap cable. This is designed for high output, so that's excellent. So if we plug this guy in, my phone is type USB-C, so this cable is going to come in handy here. And that fits in even with a thick case on there, so that's good. And we are charging, and that is super fast charging. Oh, so I've seen fast charging, I've never seen super fast. So this thing, if you need to get your phone charged up real quick, that's the way to do it.